Hello, hi everyone. Let's solve this problem. Okay, the first problem is x power 4 plus 1 x square plus 1 dx. This question came into Bihar Board. Okay, so we'll solve that first one. So here, that first question is x power 4 plus 1 plus divided by x square plus 1 dx. Correct. This can be written something like x power 2 square minus 1 square, correct, something like this, plus 2, and here x square plus 1 dx, correct. So this can be written, we can expand here, x square minus 1 x square plus 1, correct, and here x square, here we can write x square plus 1 and plus 2. Here we can do like this also. This is dx and plus 2x square plus 1 dx, correct. So now this got cancelled, correct. So now this is x power 3 by 3 minus x plus here 1 by x square plus 1. What is the integration of that? Tan inverse x, correct. So 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is the answer of your first problem. So which option is correct? X cube by 3 minus x plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is the correct answer for the first problem. Okay, so we can erase this and we can do the second one. So second one is what? Second one is sec, which is that integration of sec to the power 5x tan x dx, correct. So here this can be written something like sec to the power 4x and sec⁵x tan x dx, correct. So if we let sec⁵x is equal to t, correct, then differentiation of this one is sec⁵x tan x dx is equal to dt, correct. So now if we substitute here, then it becomes t to the power 4 dt, correct. Then t to the power 5 by 5 plus c, correct. Then t is what? Your sec. So sec to the power 5 by 5 here x plus c. So this is answer of your problem. So this is your answer, right? Your second one. So it is very easy. If you remember the formula, it will be done very fast. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.